What's up, guys? I am Grace, you are the Mighties, and today is Thursday, October 18th, 2018. I'm currently on a little break from my school. It's like conferences or something, and I thought I'd take you along with me while I'm making my lunch. This is my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm cooking up some really good food. So I'm making some roasted chickpeas. I've never made them before, but I just tossed some chickpeas in olive oil, salt, and a little bit of spice mix. Then we got some leftover potatoes, pulled pork. I'm really excited about this. My mom is making some chicken and bean thingamajig. And once the oven beeps, I'm gonna put the chickpeas in for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay guys, so it's a tiny bit later now, and I just had a question for you. What are you going to be for Halloween? This took me like a long time to decide what I was going to be. I went through a bunch of options. I ended up picking to be a cactus with my friend Greta, so we're both going as cacti. But I had a ton of choices before I decided to be a cactus. Alrighty, so the chickpeas are done. They look so good. Okay, so here are the chickpeas. They look super, super good. I cannot wait to try them. Okay. They're pretty hot though. 3, 2, 1. Mom, these are really good. Oh my gosh, you guys have to make these. How do I describe it? So, all I did to make these was preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, rinse out 1 can of chickpeas, dry them, and then sprinkle them with olive oil and salt. And I used a little bit of Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning blend. Oh my gosh, wow, these are so good. Okay guys, I'm going to eat a bunch more of these, and I'll report back maybe when I'm making pumpkin bread. Alrighty guys, so I know this is slightly a weird angle, but I'm going to go ahead and make my pumpkin bread. I got my apron on. Aprons are always a necessity for when you're baking. And I went ahead and put them in the dishwasher. So I went ahead and put 1 2/3 cups flour in a bowl. I'm going to add my sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and spices. So I'll be right back. Okay, so all my dry ingredients are in this bowl. I'm going to go ahead and stir those together with a spatula. Also, here's a pro baking tip. I say clean as you go. It just makes it a lot easier in the long run if you put away your ingredients one by one rather than all at once, but that just works for me. Also, I don't know why, but we never put in nutmeg or allspice, so we always add a little bit more cinnamon and a little bit more cloves. It ends up tasting really, 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 really good. After I stir this, I'm going to go ahead and add the pumpkin, oil, orange juice, and eggs into a separate bowl. Loves opening jars. I'm really bad at it, but I just love lifting off the lid, especially with pumpkin. It's so like nice, a good feeling when you have a new can of pumpkin. Okay, so I just opened my can of pumpkin. It looks so good. Also, pumpkin is way more bitter than you'd think. Like, If you ever try what's left on the lid, it's very bitter, but it's so good. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this into a fresh bowl. Okay, so I'm gonna add the eggs, oil, and orange juice, and I'll see you once I'm done with that. Got all my ingredients here in the bowl. They look pretty gross before you mix them, but I'm gonna mix that up, and after I mix this up really well, I'm gonna dump the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients slowly, grease the pans, and stick them in the oven for 60 to 65 minutes. I'm just gonna clean up, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so the pumpkin bread is done. It's looking very, very good. And now we just have to let it cool for actually kind of a while. You have to let it cool for like 30 minutes to an hour, I think. So I'll see you guys in a little bit once that is done. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking the big red button down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you next Sunday for another Mighty Sunday.